had to take our shoes off. This is a pretty cool breakfast place, I have to say. Wow. Crazy good restaurant. It's a nice start for our Ubud trip. Food has arrived in Clear Cafe. I have a tofu scrambled egg and Lesh has a regular scrambled egg. And I have a cacao, spirulina and mint and cashew milk smoothie, and Lesh has like a tropical smoothie. Look what Lesh got us. Dessert for breakfast. Thank you. We came into a temple just very randomly, walking from cafes to cafes. We are having the chill of our lives in Ubud Water Palace. Lesh is the Balinesian king. I might insert a photo here of us, how we govern in our thrones. On our very much of the beaten track to the rice terrace in Ubud. Let's see, already the way there is an adventure in itself. The birds are very loyal to their friend. They're following him all the way, all the time he's working. Watching monkeys in the monkey forest. By the way, they are much friendlier monkeys than the ones that we saw in Uluwatu. Still in the monkey forest. Wow. Good baby monkey. We have to thank my best friend Reka for recommending this place. It's very sad. We have just arrived our first scooter ride, and we are going to spend some time here by the waterfall.
Very nice waterfall. Hello sir, hello waterfall, hello.
We are at rice terraces, and this is so beautiful, but I'm feeling a little bit sad. Let me explain you why I'm a little bit sad. I went to this camera shop because I have an analog camera, and I made like the past 1 month of traveling some photos on it, and it's just so sad what happened in the camera shop, because the guy basically opened the camera without rolling up the film, and most probably I can throw the photos in the rubbish bin because they were exposed to light, and I don't think any of them will turn out to be good, but let's see. But hey, I have to get over it because I'm at a very beautiful place with a very nice dude. And then we reached the top. Feeling hot and being sweaty is an understatement at the moment, but it's worth it. We have stopped for an iced coffee, and we have a nice view, right?
Nice view over there.
We are heading over to the rice terrace, and we took a little break at a cafe. I'm having an iced Americano and some cold water, and we are just recharging before the other rice terrace because it's so hot, so hot. I just literally poured water on top of my head and put ice cubes on it. And after that, the most exciting part of the day will happen, which is eating pizza at a place that my friend recommended, and so far everything she recommended, it's just 10 out of 10 plus. So yes. The only cult I wanna belong to. Let's try Yamu kombucha. Tastes like turmeric, spicy but very good. Before the pizza, we are sharing this veggie dish. I'm beyond excited to try my vegan pepperoni pizza and Layoshi's smoked jackfruit. Good?
Very good, yeah.
Our last night of the long weekend in Ubud, and we've been on a hunt to find a cafe because at the hotel they've been purging mosquitoes, and we are just rather spending our time somewhere else where we do not inhale some toxins for a while. So we will spend 1 hour here and then head back to the hotel and get ready for bedtime, and then tomorrow morning early we go back to Uluwatu.